Yeah, I think the carmines go better with the outfit. No, I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and shower, and I'll be back and then try on the clothes, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then yeah. I'm outside, right outside, TNT, girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Camilla. Today I have a Shein haul for you guys. So yeah, hold up. Yeah, I have this big box when like there's not even that much stuff in here. I don't know why they put it in a box. But yeah, I'm gonna open this up for you guys and then I'm gonna show you what I got. If you're new to the channel, my name is Camilla, and yeah, I upload videos practically whenever, so yeah, subscribe. Like this video for more. And yeah, I ordered this like September. Oh, should I like throw everything on the foot? I don't know. Should I do that? Like, it'd be fun, right? Yeah, it'd be fun. Okay, I'm gonna just do it. Okay.
Child. Anyway, so.
Okay, so first item. Oh, so basically this is a bodysuit that I bought. It doesn't have the sleeves. There you go. And it's just like this, and this is the bottom. It has 3 buttons. Okay, better for me. But yeah, it's round. Everything, I bought it in a medium, so it's cute. Okay, so this is a long sleeve I bought. Oh my god, wait, this feels so nice. This feels so nice. Okay, yeah, get this, like right now. So, it's really, oh my god, it's so nice. I'm wearing this like tomorrow. I don't care. Yeah, it's a black long sleeve. It's cute. It's really nice and soft. I can't wait to try it on. Okay, so this is the 3rd item. Okay, so I bought this crew neck, right? Yo, it's a little bigger than I thought. Nah, it'll fit. Yeah, let's see what the drip is giving. I feel like it's lighter in the... No, wait, it's lighter in person, actually. So, yeah. Oh, it's not bad. It's like... It's not bad. Oh, yo, it's actually pretty big. Okay. Okay, I could really hang this up on my wall. This is cute. Oh yeah, this is my sweater that I bought. Okay, the quality is not bad. It's not like soft, but it's not I think it'll get soft when I wash it, but it's not like, how do I say this? It's not like the, okay, so what it's made out of, it's not like the kind where like you see the white things on it. So yeah, good explanation, Camilla. But yeah, this is the sweater. I feel like, yeah, it's good size. I didn't want it oversized, so yeah. This is the 5th item. Yeah, I think. Okay. Oh, these are some leggings I bought. They're okay quality. Let's see how I feel when I put them on, because that's like the real like test. Oh, they feel good though. Like they look like they're a good size. this is what the shirt looks like. Yeah, this is so nice. I love the color and like the white. Oh, this is so lovely. Okay, I don't know what shoes I'm gonna have to just wear my, what's it called? My Air Forces. But I don't like how they're freaking, it's wrinkled. Like, do better. I bought this tote bag. Oh nah, the quality's so good. No way. I love this. Yo, and it's so nice. Yeah, I'm getting like 5 of these. Yo, this is so nice. Like, the quality's so good. Like, it's not thin. And it's so cute. No way. The drip, like, no one could compare. Like, come on. No, this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay. Okay, so I bought another crew neck, right? This one's way thicker. Like, in the inside, it's like the texture. Bro, what is that word?
A few moments later.
Material. Oh my god, that's been at the tip of my tongue for now. But yeah, the material's like the type that's like, oh my god, like it's giving winter, like that, right? Yeah. Oh no, I bought some drip. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this week's gonna be valid. Okay, so I bought this. Oh, it's thin. Like, and I hold it up to the lighting, it's like I could see through it. It's okay though. Let me unbutton it really quick. Yeah, it's kind of more on the thinner side, but I like the colors. What is this? Okay, so yeah, this is a long sleeve. I bought this specifically for a dress that I haven't worn for like, yeah, it's, wait, is this gonna be see-through? Yeah, it's kind of see-through, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, so I just bought it for that because I don't have what's it called? I don't have like, it's like the English language just disappears for me. You get me. I don't have these type of white shirts, right? Yeah, I bought another bodysuit. This is the green version of the first item I bought. It's nice. It's giving. This one's like softer than the other one. Yeah, it's disappointing because I thought they were gonna be way thicker. The thing I was like most excited for. So first things first, this I feel like would go well with like a white top. I don't know, like I feel like this is giving like white crop top vibes. I'm using some of my own clothes with these outfits, but yeah. We'll save this one for last. This could go with like black jeans or light jeans. I could wear this with like some light jeans. This is like a church outfit. Or maybe, yeah, I'm gonna wear this for like a church outfit. This is giving, like this, I love this.
Let's go. Trying to get me off my Q's and piss. What? Why can't losers never lose a piece? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in a damn Jeep.
Yeah, it's, what time is it? It's 7:35. I need to get ready. So yeah, I have to figure out what to wear today with my Shein clothes. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna come up with like 2 or 3 options. So this is day 1's outfit. The bodysuit fits really, really well. I really, really like it. And yeah, this is how it looks. I feel like I could really wear this with a lot of like flannels. This is really cute. And then this is how it would look with the sweater on top, like this. And yeah, I would rate this out of 10 about a 9. I don't have any problems with it. I don't think the material will look ugly anytime soon. So yeah, I'm going out to eat sushi with my best friend, and I need an outfit. So basically this is the outfit I've picked out. I'm gonna wear my Air Forces with them, but is it too brick? That's like the question of the day. Is it too cold? Is it too cold? Like, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and shower, and then I'll be back, and then I'm gonna try on the clothes, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then yeah. Bye guys. The drip today, solid 9. Solid 9. Hey guys, so I just got back from my outing, and this is the outfit as you saw in the last clips. I really like this. So the flannel, I'll give it honestly a 9 out of 10. It's cute, it's soft, it's just thin, so like, you know, it's not for like winter or anything like that. And then the, what's this called? I forgot what this is called, but this is really soft. I felt comfortable. I didn't feel uncomfortable the whole day or anything like that, and it's so soft. I feel like it's gonna last a while, so I'll give this like 9 out of 10 as well. And yeah, the jeans I bought somewhere else, and the shoes I bought somewhere else. So yeah, bro, this damn alarm. So this is the fit for today, guys. So basically the leggings, I love these leggings. They fit well. The crew neck, I love it. It's nice, it's calm. I'm gonna throw a coat over this because it's brick outside. Like, I'm not gonna hold y'all. It's cold. I don't care. I'm wearing my coat today. And yeah, I'm on 4%. So this is the outfit for today. Boom. It's the church fit. Oh wait, where's my purse? Let me show you guys. This is the purse I wore. Boom. Low-key, this whole outfit's from Shein, so watch my other Shein hauls. But in this particular Shein haul, I have this shirt on. I rate it a 10 out of 10. It's super soft and nice. I tucked it in. It's a little bit like on the longer side. And yeah, bye guys. It was really nice. Cute, 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think the carmines go better with the outfit. Yeah. Okay, yo, carmines make my feet hurt, but whatever. So this is how it's looking. Don't look at my feet too much. Okay, so I literally just got back home from school. I can't talk. And yeah, I didn't get to show you guys the outfit as I never get to, but this is the fit. Ooh, on, and I have my bag still on. So yeah, this is the outfit, and the crop top's like this. So, and yeah, I love the sweater, to be honest. It's calm, and yeah, the back looks like this. The inside material is really nice. It's soft. Out of 10, I would rate it like a 8.5. Like, the material on the outside could be softer, and also honestly an 8 is a stretch. Probably a 7.5 because I'm being a little picky, because the strings, I had to freaking cut it, and I don't like that because the strings used to be able to hear. So yeah, I'd give it 7.5, 7.75. And yeah, this is the outfit, y'all. Hey guys, so I just got back from school, so I put this on and I put on the cargo pants. This is how they look. I really like them, honestly. But yeah, this is how it looks from the back. Okay, poof. And yeah, this is the outfit. I feel like I really like the pants, but they probably go with like a crop top rather than this. So yeah, I have to figure it out what I'm gonna do. But I really like how they go with my shoes and stuff. And yeah, they're really comfortable, but they're thin. So I would wear like leggings under for this if it's like winter time. And yeah, they're really comfortable. You don't need strings because they're really like, how do I say this, like, yeah, you got me. But they don't have front pockets. They only have the pockets here, and it doesn't have like the, I forgot what it's called.
Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, ride at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta.